This is how to quickly reset passcode in iPhone. Alright, the first step is to get to your settings. Here, this is my settings app on the screen. I will tap on it. Once you're on this settings page, scroll down. You get to where you have Face ID and passcode. Alright, tap on that. You'll be required to enter the passcode, your current passcode, so enter it. Once you access this page, you will be on an interface that looks like this. It's now time for us to reset it, so scroll down. So once you get to this side, tap on change passcode, okay? Put your face on lock to unlock the screen. Then it says enter your current passcode. So enter the current one, follow the on-screen guide and change it to a new passcode. Alright, it is as simple as that. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you some other time.